Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something very exciting in store for you. If you have ever wondered how you can increase the views on your channel, you're on the right place. Today we are going to talk about what are the ways that you can use to boost the views on your channel. We are going to share some secrets, so let's begin. Before diving into the tips of how you can boost your views on your YouTube channel, we should also talk about why views are so important. Views are important because they do not only give you the satisfaction of being watched, but they also help with the YouTube algorithm, ultimately leading to more exposure and growth of your channel. So now let's begin with the secrets to increasing views on your YouTube channel. Secret number 1, thumbnails. Thumbnails are like cover of your book. It draws more people in and make them want to watch your video. There are some tips that you can follow to create a beautiful thumbnail. Number 1, you can use bright colors and use bold texts. Number 2, use a close-up of your face with an expressive emotion. And number 3, it should be clutter-free and simple, because thumbnails are the first impression of your video, so you should remember to make it count. Secret number 2, creating attention-grabbing and attractive titles. It is very important that you make your audience curious through your titles, so that it is going to make them want to watch your video. So there are some few tips you can follow to create a beautiful title. Number 1, you should keep them short. Aim for 50 to 60 words. Number 2, you should use relevant keywords to your title. And number 3, the words used in your title should be bold and action oriented. Pro tip, avoid using clickbait, because it might help you initially with getting more views, but in a long run, it can damage your reputation and your viewer retention as well. Secret number 3, search engine optimization. Now you might be thinking that what does search engine optimization has to do with YouTube views? Well, it does, because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So it is very important that you optimize your video for search. Here's how you can do it. First, you need to do a thorough and detailed keyword research that is relevant to your content. After that, you need to incorporate those keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions. And lastly, do not forget to add timestamps into your description so that people can navigate through your content easily. Because the better you rank in the YouTube search, the more views you are going to get eventually. Secret number 4, engagement. It is very important to keep engaged with your audience, because this is how you are going to gain more views and create a loyal fan base and subscribers. Now we are going to share some tips on that. Number 1, you should always respond to the comments in your comment section. Number 2, you should ask them for their suggestion and their feedback on your videos and your content. Number 3, you should also ask them to like, share, and subscribe to your videos. When you're building a community, people are encouraged to watch and share your content. And the last secret, promotion. You should always focus on sharing and promoting your content. So whenever you create a content, you should share it on social media, forums, and websites that are relevant to your niche. What you can also do is that you can collaborate with other YouTubers as well, because it is going to expand your reach. So it is very helpful to keep promoting your content, because by sharing more, you are going to gain more views. And there you have it, folks. Now you have all the secrets to gaining more views when you create a content. So keep creating amazing content, and we can't wait to see your channel grow. If you have got any questions or suggestions, you can ask them in the comment section below. If you like this video, do not forget to check out our other content as well. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. This is it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.